Hi, my name is Brooke, and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at Scion Analytics. I'm going to show you our AcroSeeker application. Let's get started. Our AcroSeeker application identifies the acronyms throughout your document and exports them into a table with contextual definitions. Select the AcroSeeker application and hit Next. Next, you want to select your project and then the document within that project. Hit Analyze. Let's take a look at the results. As you can see, the column on the left of the table is your acronyms, and to the right are the contextual definitions. Want to identify and validate your acronyms in seconds? Schedule your demo today.